Hi everyone, this is Annie, Sunshine Annie. This is, if you're new to my channel, I do a planner videos with using whatever, whatever I have, Crash My Stash. This one is from a composition book, and if you can see, I've linked my videos in a, what do they call it? You know, I'm new to this, so bear with me. So my last week's journal planner posts were like this, I did a lot of doodling. I have some stickers from Dollar Tree, and these were these ones. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, like that, so you can see it. That was one of them I used from here. I used a skull from here, because I love the sugar skulls. You can see those better. I used that one. I do a lot of my own doodling, because that's, for me, that's what journaling's about. And I used a couple from here. Some of these are so dark, the way they printed. I know what they were getting at, because they wanted the, you know, I think it was more of an Edgar Allan Poe kind of designs here. Oh, Hocus Pocus. So this was last week's, with all my writing in it. This week, I've done the basic outline for what I want. Because we're getting right up to Halloween, or Samhain for my case, I'm going to be using oranges and blacks this time. And I'm just using, like I said, what I have. Later on, like I said, I'll be going in and adding my doodles as I write. Sometimes I've been doing these in between pieces. I drew like the candle and the, sorry, that looks like so much, it's all that writing. I added like just some little bits and pieces here and there.